Is your olive oil actually adding flavor to your food, or is it just another ingredient in the recipe? If you're looking for a high quality, extra virgin olive oil that really stands out, this one is definitely worth a look. Before I get into the details, I want to thank Atlas Olive Oils for sending me this bottle to try. I've used a lot of different olive oils over the years, and I was so excited to experience one that's sourced from a single family farm in the Atlas Mountains of Morocco. This is an organic, cold-pressed, extra virgin olive oil that's made from a single pressing of the olives, and it's naturally rich in polyphenols. And one of the first things that I noticed was the aroma. It has a fresh, complex scent with hints of herbs and citrus and almonds. The flavor is also where this olive oil really sets itself apart. It's smooth and clean with fresh fruit quality that feels nothing like what you'd find at the grocery store. There's a subtle richness to it, almost herby, and it finishes with just a hint of pepper, which I learned is actually a sign of high polyphenol content and good quality oil. One of my favorite ways to use it is in my homemade salad dressing, and I want to share my recipe with you because it's so simple and it's so good. I start with a 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, 2 cloves of garlic, a sprinkle of pepper, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 2 tablespoons of honey. I whisk all of that together first, and then I slowly add 3/4 of a cup of the olive oil. And that's it. It comes together so quickly, and the flavor of this oil makes such a difference in how the dressing tastes. Once you make your own dressing with a quality olive oil like this, you will never want store-bought again. It's also wonderful drizzled over roasted vegetables or a warm piece of bread. It's the kind of olive oil where you can actually taste the difference, and that is not something that I say about every olive oil I've tried. It definitely has that fresh, authentic taste that you would expect from a premium olive oil. I also appreciate that it's USDA organic and made without unnecessary additives or chemicals. Between the quality, flavor, and careful production process, it's easy to see why this olive oil is trusted by award-winning chefs and restaurants. If you're looking to upgrade your pantry with a premium extra virgin olive oil that tastes as good as it looks, this Atlas Organic Moroccan olive oil is definitely worth trying.